How much will the US markets rise in 2025? What's reasonable for your pension to grow by? Well, your pension should at least grow by 17% if Deutsche Bank are correct, because they see that as a year-end target. Fine, fair enough. What I want you to do with your IFA, who's going to say that's way too over-optimistic, and they'll say, well, I've sprinkled a tiny bit, you can't trust the Americans, because your IFA will try and talk you out of doing what you want, having exposure to US equities in your SIP, ISA, pension, whatever it is. Your IFA will talk you out of anything you want to do, because they can't add value if they just simply do what you ask them to do, can they? If they just do what you tell them to do, they're not presumably adding value, so why are you paying them? I want you to ask them, how did they do in 2022 and why were they so rubbish? If they're the experts, why are they so rubbish? Also ask them, is the qualification to become an IFA a multiple choice exam? And what's the pass mark? And how many choices do you have on each question? They'll be too embarrassed to tell you. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links if you'd like a copy of my book, Investing Unplugged. Lovely reviews from the Financial Times, Hedge Fund Managers, Bloomberg TV, and the like. One of 18 books. That one's published by Macmillan. The other books that I've written, published by the Financial Times. And do like and follow for more. Thank you.